Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So today is a Sunday and I'm going to analyze gold for you. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's analyze gold for the next week. So currently we are in a monthly time frame, and as you guys can see, monthly we have a beautiful CSM buy, okay? A very beautiful CSM buy with a top PB expansion. And if you guys can see, there is an extreme signal, okay? MA5 just outside of the top PB, okay? So it means that this CSM buy is showing us a very strong bullish pressure in a monthly time frame. So we can look for a buy. The price can come to mitigate the MA510 low, okay? So here one more thing guys, you have to check that EMA 50 just below the mid BB and the price, okay? As you guys can see, EMA 50 just below the mid BB and the price, which showing us a very strong monthly bullish pressure, okay? So it means that we are currently in a monthly bullish trend, okay? So if price can come in future to mitigate this re-entry area, we can look for a buy upon confirmation, okay? But for now it's too far, so you have just to anticipate the monthly trend, which is bullish, okay? So monthly is in a bullish, so let's analyze weekly time frame now. Well, so in a weekly time frame, currently we are very in an interesting position. Okay, so in a weekly, as we see, there was an extreme, okay? There was an extreme in a weekly time frame, and after the extreme, TP wajib, and after TP wajib, price goes for the MLV, right? And as you guys can see, there was a strong two beautiful weekly rejection from the top PB, and the top PB was fully covered, which showed us a very strong MLV sign, right? But we know after the MLV, price goes for the CSAK or an early CSAK, okay? But here the story was a little bit different. When price just goes for the CSAK or an early CSAK, price just taps again in the weekly support area, but this time price does not able to fail this support area, and as a result of this support reaction, the price just goes up again, okay? And as you guys can see, the last week price printed a CSM buy, right? You guys can see. So what does this mean guys? This means this CSM buy caused a invalidation of this whole cycle, okay? So now currently we are in a weekly CSM buy, so we have to look for a buy, okay? So the next week you can look for buy at MA510 low of the weekly, okay? So if price come to mitigate the MA510 low of the weekly, you can look for a buy, okay? There is no more selling sign in a weekly time frame due to this CSM buy, okay? And we know there is a new signal of a weekly time frame, so it means there is a new fresh direction of a weekly. So currently weekly is in a bullish trend, monthly is also in a bullish trend. So let's jump on to the daily time frame. Okay, so daily, the last week in a daily, price printed a CSAK buy, right? And after the CSAK buy, price just tapped in a MA510 low of the daily, and as a result of this reaction from the daily CSAK re-entry, price just brushed up to the upside and closed as a daily CSM buy, right? As you guys can see, there is a CSM buy with the top PB expansion, so it means daily is also in a very strong bullish trend, okay? So you have to look for the buy at the MA510 low of the daily, okay? So if price come next week in a MA510 low of the daily, you have to look for a buy upon confirmation, okay? This is a very good area for the buy, okay, for the next week. So daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, monthly is also bullish, so we have all the higher time frames are bullish. So let's analyze H4, okay? Well, okay, after the daily, we can see that in H4 there is also a CSM buy, right, which is a very good sign of the buy momentum in all the higher time frames as well as in H4. So the next week your duty is just to wait for the price to mitigate the MA510 low of the first H4. So after this mitigation, you have to wait for the confirmation here. If any confirmation appears, you can look for a buy, okay? And if price does not able to fly from the H4 re-entry, so and closed as a CSAK sell, so you have to wait then a daily re-entry area, okay? These are the two zones for the next week to look for a buy, okay? Yeah, so that is for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. So if you are interested in a free learning, I have a free Telegram channel. You can check it. I am going to post a link in my description, so you guys can check it, okay? So okay, so thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.